Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetradingsystem.com, making this small video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. This is my weekly chart, right? And I've been tracking since we finished the wave three, right? I predicted that it's going to be ending here somewhere. And then I said it's going to drop in three waves for wave four. So it did that. Now my take is that, okay, it's going to go from here to here. You can watch my previous videos about Bitcoin. So it's step by step, I'm showing that, right? So it's supposed to be going. So now we started to rise from here. Now you go to a smaller time frame on a daily chart, so you have a little bit of a breakdown of this wave four. What the heck happened in this wave four? So wave three ended here, and then we have kind of like a double correction here, A, B, C, X, A, B, C, and then we're gonna go to the upside. So we started to rise, right? This could be like wave one, two, and one, two, three, four, five, so on and so forth. So right now, it's not clear to me, to be honest with you. So I'm watching and I'm trading accordingly using SNL levels, right? Going even further down, 4-hour chart is showing this, and then more SNR levels, precise SNR levels you can find here. So you can see that it's a daily low for 58,420. Price came here and trying to bounce. So what is cooking here, basically, right? So I'm going to go on an even smaller time frame, which my Renko charts are, and I think that this is like wave one or A, and then we're gonna go up here for B or two or B, whatever you can call it, right? So around maybe 62, right? 62,000 between 61 and 62,000, somewhere there we need to go to finish wave two or B, or even this is maybe higher, who knows, right? But that is the minimum I think that we're going to go. My Renko chart showing something else very interesting, which is this. So we ended up here coming down to wave three, wave four, wave five. But look at here how nice, a beautiful head and shoulder pattern is. But the thing is that this head and shoulder pattern on all the way in the down of the move is not good. It is gonna be fail, right? Head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder on the down of the move, at the end of the move to the downside is better. It's good, right? And this regular head and shoulder, it should be at the top of the move, not at the bottom of the move, right? So it is here, A, B, C, and then down A, B, C, double bottom. So what it is that this is A, this is B, followed by wave C, right? And C will have 5 waves. 5 waves means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of that, we already have wave 1 and 2. Now, going even further to the downside, I mean, in the shorter time frame, you can see this wave 1 and 2 in this chart here, that's exactly what we have here. We have a retracement of 61%. This is wave 1, A, B, C, flat correction for wave 2, right? A very nice move to the downside, exactly at 61%. So if we can hold above this level, which is 58,420, right? So if my calculation is good, then we must stay above this level and then go to the upside. So let's see what happened, right? Today is Saturday. I'm not going to trade anymore, right? I'm going to, just go out a little bit after this video and then rest. But then, yeah, this is how it is. And, trade, take, things, whatever the system you're using, this, use that. If you are my subscriber, you know exactly what to do. You have all the box sizes and all of that, different charts, right? And if you're not my subscriber, then you use, my daily chart, 4-hour chart, and then whatever the, strategy you use to make entry, use that. And that's it, right? So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And by the way, now, like it's a Labor Day weekend, right? So I have here on my son Omar. He always doing something, right? So it puts his dad say, gives some discounts. So okay, no problem. So Labor Day sale going on until midnight, 11:59. So everything is on big discounts. So take advantage of that. Different things, everything, lifetime membership, one-on-one, this and that, everything is on discount for Labor Day, right? So yeah, see some of these trades taken with my robot. This robot is amazing. It opens the trade automatically and then plays the SL and move the SL to break even, whatever you desire. And it is all, completely automated. You just have to find your target and close the trade on your own. That's it, right? And you can even set the target as well in that. There is an option. right? So it is also on sale. And this is it for now. Like I said, that take advantage of that. Even these courses, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, right? Very, very powerful courses, right? You will learn a lot, especially how to use the fib properly, different things. Let me show you something very interesting if you can know exactly what I'm saying. Is like, for example, this chart. So, it's Elliott wave for 3, 4, 5, and it says ABCA, ABCB, then go into the upside. But if you look, if you understand, if you learn about, like Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, then you learn that, how to put them together. So if you draw the fifth from here to here, right, what is cooking here? It's amazingly, you will see that it is this retracement is exactly at 78%. Then it is exactly touching 38%, not touching the 23%. So that is the zone. So this is a perfect calculation for my butterfly pattern, which goes to 127 or 161. And 161 is coming exactly to this high. How beautiful is that, right? So these are the calculations. So you learn in those courses that how to put them together, how to identify that what is really happening, and then you can trade very easily. Then everything becomes piece of cake, walk in the park, right? So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the weekend, which is tomorrow, one more day, Sunday, right? So see you back in not Sunday. I will be out Sunday evening probably, but I'll be back on Monday. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.